Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make roasted plantain and fish, also known as bole, mostly eaten in the southern part of Nigeria and widely loved by so many. So if you're interested, please keep watching. For this recipe, we are using tilapia fish and ripe plantain. To start with, you will first of all mix your dry ingredients together. Please check the description box for all ingredients. Wash clean your fish and pat dry of excess water. Use a knife and give a slight cut on both sides of the fish. Then use your hands to generously apply and massage the dry ingredients into the fish. When done, place in a Ziploc bag and keep in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. If you are short of time, you can leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. For the sauce, we are going to blend together some hot peppers, onion, garlic and rosemary without adding water. After blending, pour the content into a pot. Place pot on low heat on the stove. Allow to simmer until oil starts flowing on top of the pepper. Then you know that the sauce is ready. Now bring out the plantain, peel and give a slight cut on both sides of the plantain. Rub some salt and oil all over it and place on a baking rag. Bring out the fish, spread some of the hot sauce on the fish on both sides. Place the fish on the baking rag alongside with the plantain and bake in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Here we go guys, it's done and ready to be enjoyed. So this is the simplest way you can make your bole. This meal is super delicious. I want you to try it and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks once again for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up and share your comments. Also share this video with friends and family. Bye for now guys, and see you again in my next one.